Okay, hello everyone. We're here in Kenny's computer room. He's the instructor here at his computer studies classes, and basically, he has been teaching two students here from our local primary school for about 2 months. We were thinking that he's also going to issue them certificates. So they finished their course, and now they've been given their certificate. So we're here to meet Kenny and to meet also the students and to introduce this computer class to everyone basically. So hello, Kenny.
Yes.
Okay, so tell us what have you been doing and what is your computer class? Tell us about yourself first.
My full names are Kenny Diaz. You can follow me at my Facebook page. I'm Kenny Diaz, and I'm proud to be in this community at Mombasa. It's been a long journey to start this campaign of us introducing this computer at the village. It's been a lot of challenges, up and downs, but here we are. Yeah. Finally, we have our two students that have qualified for the past 3 weeks, and here is their certificate. This certificate is just simple computer basics.
Okay. Yeah.
I've been with them for the past 3 weeks since last week, but they were here with me, but now finally they have completed their courses.
Okay. Can you explain what is the course? What is included in the course?
Is the Microsoft computer, PowerPoint, introduction, access, everything is complete there. But basically, the basics of the computer only, because they're still growing, and if they grow, I'll add more information to them.
Okay.
And our program normally starts on Monday to Friday at exactly 3 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. That is 1 hour 30 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah. And in front of me here is one of the two best students that I have. Okay. I'm proud to teach them. Yeah. The first one here is let him speak for himself. Okay.
My name is Yangala. Mine is just to thank Mr. Wanje and Mr. Kennedy for coming up with this computer program. Since I started this computer program, I've seen a big difference. I couldn't use a computer, but now I know everything how to use a computer. And let me just urge people, my fellow students in the community, to join this program because it is one of the best programs. Thank you.
Okay. Can tell us your name and your experience.
My name is Tunbaya. So I thank Mr. Ken for helping me to know how to use the computer really well, because I didn't have the experience to use it well, but now at least I can know how to use it. Okay. And I really thank Mr. Wanje here for you being our guest. And also I urge other students to come and join. This thing is really helping, because now I can use a computer and learn from it.
Okay. Well done, guys. Absolutely, congratulations. Okay, initially you were saying that you got your contracts from the local schools here. How does that work with the contracts? You were saying that you get your contracts from the school.
Yeah. Because here I am. Let's say this is a cyber shop where I deal with most things. Let's say I sell books, accessories. There's exercise books, there's files, there's everything that is required for a student to learn. Yeah. So I deal with many things. That's why I'm trying with most schools. I'm sorry, Polytechnic, the St. Michael's Primary, St. Michael's Girls. You see, so what I normally do is, let's say for example it's time for examination. Maybe the computers has breakdown, or maybe some institutes they don't have any printers. So they normally give me contracts often to print. Maybe for example if their computer has just crashed, because I have the knowledge of the computer also, I can go there, fix their computer, and that's it. I've been a great help in this community, and everyone is enjoying my service, and I'm ready to give out what I have to the community at large.
Oh yeah, that's amazing, man. You had a question there. What's it called? Where did you learn your own computer skills?
It was dated back when I was in class 8. Let's which year was it? 2024 probably, if I'm not wrong. I started computer classes because my mother was urging me that this technology normally grows each and every day. So I must equip myself with the knowledges of computer. So I started at an early age. Now in this industry, let's say I've got 10 years working with computer. Now I can I can say I have that much courage and knowledge to teach and also to give out what I have.
Okay,
Thank you.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, so regarding the certificates there, if you can just show me again. What can they do with this certificate? As in, what benefits do they have from this certificate?
Now, with the certificate, they can be employed anywhere because the certificate has got what they have learned and how better that topic they've understood. Like for example, Microsoft Word, I put the credits. So say this is a credit. So it means that this student here can do anything that I've highlighted here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So with this this certificate, the what's it called? The owner of the business or the employee, the employer can just look at the record and say, oh, this student is good at this and this and that, and he'll be given the work according to what he has learned.
Yeah. Okay, man. I swear to God, man. I think this is amazing, bro. It's absolutely fantastic that you're bringing computer skills to our villages and to our communities.
Yeah.
It's absolutely incredible, bro.
But also we have challenges that are in hand. Maybe let's say illiteracy. People don't want to learn, but because here we're at the village. But I with these two examples, I think maybe in future we'll have more students who will join, because I see many students are just idle. Just loitering around, they have nothing to do. And also I thank you, Mr. Wanje, for also introducing the arts, culture and arts every Saturday for the students to come and nurture their talents or also explore their talents. For that I'm giving you big ups. And I'm gonna use that opportunity to issue a certificate on tomorrow on Saturday, maybe probably. I'll be there to issue out the certificate in front of the children, so that they can see the benefit of this thing, and also they see that this thing is working and is legit. Because as they say, Africans, they have to see to know.
To know,
Thank you.
Oh, okay, thanks. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Okay, but is there anything else you would like to say, guys? Maybe something.
Mr. Ian, do you have anything?
I have nothing to say.
Okay.
And then there's one of the newest students. He's here for introduction, and I'm proud. He's he's two days old.
Okay.
Can you say something?
Yeah, say something. That's right.
I will tell you another day.
Oh, but you're here for an introduction to the course.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so what's the price of these computer courses?
The price of this computer, I've tried to look at the previous price that I was in. So I was in Likoni.
Yeah.
Likoni is in town. I was in Mariakani.
Yeah.
Now these places are very totally different, because here we are at the village.
Yeah.
So the prices they must differ at a quite large range. Let's say, for example, in Likoni it was 3,500 full course, but here at the village you have to consider their financial status. So I've reduced the amount to 1,500. That's big discount that they can offer. And also I give them the privilege to give deposits, let's say for half of the price, so that they can join. Or maybe pay in installments daily. They pay daily. Subscription,
Okay. So it's 1,500. Half of how many weeks? 3 weeks?
For 3 weeks.
Okay.
Monday to Friday. Time is 3 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. That's 1 hour, 30 minutes.
30 minutes.
Daily. Monday to Friday. The weekends we are off. Because we have many activities, maybe ceremonies there.
Okay. Computer studies, basically, they are very important to get many different kinds of jobs. You have to have some kind of computer knowledge, as in many jobs require it. So I want to ask you guys, what have you gained since you started this course? Anything new that you have gained or learned?
According to me, I couldn't know how to use Publisher to design cards, to design the eulogy, but now, since I started the computer up to now, which tomorrow I'm going to get my certificate, I have the knowledge to make the cards and the eulogy. Okay.
That's amazing, bro. Okay.
To me, I did not know how to use the printer, but now I am able to use the printer.
Okay.
And I did not know well to use this computer, but now at least I have the knowledge.
Okay.
So I thank Mr. Ken here for helping me.
Okay, fantastic, guys. Absolutely fantastic. And congratulations on getting your certificates.
Thank you. I have a question to ask to Mr. Wanje.
Oh, yes, please.
Since you know we have told you what is going on here at the cyber sport to office. What have you planned for us?
As in, basically, what me and Kenny have been planning is that we have already introduced computer courses to children in our villages. So now we want to expand this and to make it more serious. And to basically, what we want to do is we want to invite all the children's parents in the villages to Giriama Lounge, so that we can present the course to them, and then hopefully, like Kenny said earlier, hopefully get people to understand the importance of their children understanding or learning computer knowledge. So the plan now is to invite the parents to an event at Giriama Lounge, where there we're going to present different types of courses, and one of the courses will be computer studies, where Kenny himself will be there presenting the course to the villagers and to the parents of the children, so that they see that this is actually real and that they can actually get a certificate. So that's the first plan at the moment. And then if we get enough people involved, or who want their children to understand computer courses, then basically we'll start teaching computer courses in the restaurant at Giriama Lounge through culture and arts. And what we're hoping for is that we can maybe get somebody can donate for us maybe 2 computers, even if it's old computers. If somebody can donate some money for some computers, or for some old computers, then we'll have computers there for the students to use. And also we're hoping also to get some donations to be able to provide a small income for Kenny, basically, for doing this for our villages. So so that's the plan, to start an event where we can invite the parents and hopefully get in some donations to expand these computer courses, this computer program.
So when will it be?
Now we're going to do the event now. We're having a small presentation tomorrow during Culture and Arts, where we're going to present where Kenny is going to issue the certificates, and then from there we'll plan a small event, maybe within a month or 2, when we have a big event where Kenny can come and present the actual real course to the parents and to the children.
Yeah, I also have a question to you.
Yeah.
Now, because these two here, they've managed to pay for they've already managed to pay for the subscription to learn this computer program. What if in the village that there are very needy people that they can't even provide their own supper, dinner, or breakfast? What can you do about that? And also, maybe the student is ready to learn, but doesn't have any money to.
Okay. That's where the donations come in. We're hoping to get. I'm hoping that we get in some donations to be able to provide the students who can't pay for themselves, that we provide for them the computer courses. We're starting a membership. We have started a membership program at Giriama Lounge, and if anybody becomes a member, basically, of our Culture and Arts program, then hopefully we'll be able to provide them with free computer courses, basically, with a free 3-week computer course, free of charge for any child that is a member of Giriama Lounge. But for them to be a member, we will of course have to talk to the parents first. So the most important thing now is to first of all invite the parents, see who is actually interested in learning computers, and then from there we can talk to our donors and see if they're interested in helping out our students and children in our villages, especially the students who don't have the money to pay for the course.
The course, yeah. Okay. Is there any question that you would like to ask Angie? About the parents also. Now, which means that which means will you use to tell the parents to come and join? Because we have only two students here at large, and we are targeting more and more students, more parents and also students.
Okay.
So, and also this program, can it be open to everyone? Let's say, for example, an adult wants to learn computer. Can he get the privileges as these students?
In my opinion, anybody who is over 15, 16, 17, up to 18 will have to pay for themselves. It's mostly for the kids. Okay. At least 18. Anybody over 18 will have to pay for themselves. But if it's for the children, then it's more likely that people will actually want to contribute to that, as in donate money to help the kids. But for grown-ups, they will probably have to pay for themselves. But of course, they're fully welcome to come to Giriama Lounge and learn computer skills if they want to.
Now, for example, person can ask why I can see gender inequalities here. It's because most of the ladies, they're not willing to appear. Now you have to educate them so that this thing is open for everyone. No, not if you are a boy or a girl, you can just come in and join us and learn computer. because you can see most of my students here are boys.
Yeah.
And that's not good thing when it comes to gender equality.
Gender equality.
Yeah, because these boys here will be all of them will be educated. What about the girls?
What about the girls?
Also, there are our sisters also.
Yeah.
So also the good thing to educate the parents as this thing is important for all the genders.
Yeah. I don't know how we're going to do that, but I think we will have to present it at the event when all the parents come. Then we will have to truly inform them that this is also for the girls, and that it's important also for girls to learn computer skills. So we're going to have to include the girls, as in yeah. Okay, so what have we here?
What we have here is known as student profile.
Okay.
Where if the students are successfully enrolling into our program, he be given this profile. Where this profile has got its own passport photo that appears at the left corner, and also the profile has got his name, his age, guardian number, either they say mother or father, admission number, and the duration, that's 3 weeks.
Okay.
If you go down there, there's what's it called? There's this table. This table here has got day 1 to day.
I can see this as example.
To day 45 or to day 30. Now these are the days that this person will be learning, and each and every day has got its own specific task. Let's say, for example, today is 11, 12, 24. He will write it here at the top corner. What we learn today, you write it at the below of the box. Now this one is a clear indication that the progress of the child, and also his mother can monitor what is going on, and he or she will be aware of what is going on. Okay. You know that my child today has learned about introduction to computer. He has known the following day will learn about this. Now this is just a rough schedule of what will happen of the events. That's it.
Okay. Yeah, amazing, man. Absolutely amazing, Kenny. Yeah.
For those potential donors, I would like you to donate for us so that we can continue this project, and also some students to come and join us so that they can gain the knowledge to use the computer and also run it.
Okay, yeah, absolutely.